Uh, Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up and configure Amazon EC2 Auto Scaling Group. So the main purpose of Auto Scaling Group is to automatically manage EC2 instance, scaling them up and scaling them down based on the demand to ensure applications remain responsive during traffic spike and optimize cost during low period. So in this tutorial, we're going to cover the following key steps. First, we're going to create a EC2 instance template, and then we're going to create an auto scaling group, and then we're going to configure group size and scaling limit, and then after that we're going to verify the auto scaling group functionality. So let's go and create the template. So you can give any name. For example, I'm going to give this name, and make sure you need to give a description of the template version. Click on this one, and then make sure you need to choose your AMI. So I'm going to choose Amazon Linux, and make sure you select T2 micro. This is free tile eligible. And then I'm going to choose the existing keeper, but also if you don't have a keeper, you can just create a new keeper, and then go to the advanced network configuration and add network interface. Okay, so I'm going to select oh, so my, my bad. Okay, so just click on Amazon Linux. Okay, instant type, select T2 micro. Keypad. So I'm going to select my keypad here. Okay, now go for advanced network configuration, add network interface. And so you can choose your security group. So I'm going to choose the default one and make sure this is enable auto assign public. And I'm going to click yes here. I think this is good enough. Okay, so I'm going to create the launch template. So now I'm going to go and create auto scaling group, and let's create auto scaling group. So I'm going to give that name as, okay, so I'm going to select the template which I've created before, and click on next. Okay, so I'm going to click this one and this one. If you don't have the subnets which is showing up, you need to go to VPC, and you need to create those two of the subnet if it is not showing for you. So just click on next. Okay, just skip to review. All right, this is the review of what you have configured and set up. So I'm gonna create an auto scaling group. Okay, so I'm gonna click on. So as you see, if I go to activity, so you can see the activity history that it is launching a new instance, EC2 instance for me. So let's go to instance management. So as you see, the an EC2 instance has been launched. Let's go back to Let's go back to EC2 here. So as you see, the EC2 has been created by the Auto Scaling Group and it is running. So as you see, uh, like the status has been successful. That means the EC2 has been launched. So what if I delete this EC2 instance? What's gonna happen next? So I'm going to delete this one. Let's go back to the activity here. Yes. So what is going to happen is that once I deleted this EC2 instance, this EC2 instance becomes an unhealthy state. So the auto scaling group is going to simply create a new EC2 instance. So we're going to see what's going to happen here. So as you see, uh, this you can see the activity history that the EC2 instance have been terminated. uh, you can see the message that an instance was taken out of the service in response to an EC2 health check, indicating that it has been terminated or spot. And then after the EC2 instance got terminated, then the new EC2 instance was created and launched. As you can see, an instance was launched in response to an unhealthy instance needing to be replaced. So if you go back to uh, EC2 here and let's navigate here. It's already there. Okay. So So as you see, the new instance was created and now it is running here. And the old instance which I have created has been terminated because I terminated already, and then the new instance has been created in response to the old instance which went into unhealthy state. So this is how auto scaling manages the EC2 instance. So basically, uh, if something happens to our instance, or if there's some disaster that is happening to our instance, the auto scaling group simply creates a new instance in response to the old instance status. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.